Good morning mga kabaro. Ang video na ito ay tungkol sa mga barko na naka-schedule for loading plus 7 cargo, lalo na radioactive materials, yung ikakarga. Makikita natin sa actual video yung ginagawang collision drill ng mga crew. Actual drill and communication is very important. Sa mga kabaro na nakaranas na ito, pwede natin i-share, like, and subscribe natin sa mga baguhan para makatulong tayo. Maraming salamat po. God bless and safe voyage.
Vessel on starboard side almost collision. Okay. Stop engine. Stop engine. Sir, engine stop. Sound general alarm. Sound general alarm. Attention all crew. This is collision drill. This is collision drill. This is collision drill. Please stop upgrades right away. Kasunod, kasunod. Commence roll call. Start roll call. Second officer. Present. Third officer. Present. Puson. Present. EP1. Present sir. EP2. Present sir. EP3. Present. OS. Present sir. Cadet. Present sir. Wheeler 1. Present sir. Wheeler 3. Present sir. Chief Cook. Present sir. Missman. Present sir. All crew present, no injured sir. Roger, roger. Third, confirmed engine party. Confirmed engine party. Yes sir. Chief engineer.
Sir, secure present.
First engineer.
Sir, first engineer present.
Second engineer.
Sir, present, second engineer.
Oiler.
Oiler, present sir.
All present sir. No injured.
Second mate.
Sir.
Bosun, go down to radiation room. Survey report team. Assess them.
Okay sir. Yes sir.
initial report. Order AB to look out position.
Yes, sir. I will make initial report. EB,
Yes, sir.
look out outside.
Yes, sir.
Sir, initial report.
Okay, thank you. Diesel on course south, 5 miles south of Baracas Way to number 1 Boy. A small cargo vessel navigated nearby Fort Bow from her course to starboard. Suddenly, in spite of calling for attention with overtaking vessel, she alerted with whistle and turned to starboard right away. The engine moved astern but not in time. Part of port bow of her collided with part of starboard astern of the vessel. Collided vessel send report by email to SAL.
Yes, sir. Dial mo po. Okay, nag-dial na.
Okay na siya, basta may tayo na. Then may contact Yokohama Coast Guard radio by VXF and report the accident.
Yes, sir. Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. This is Cosmic Ace. Cosmic Ace. Cosmic Ace. 3 Eco Delta Hotel 6. Come in, please. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. There is small vessel collided our port bow. Position 35 degrees 07 north. Longitude 139 degrees 46 minute east. On course south 180 degrees 5 miles south. Uraga Silo number 1 Boy. Request your immediate assistance. Collided possibility. Fire outbreak, flooding, and sinking. Over.
Now we are ready for your instruction. Roger. Start inspection from accommodation area. Start inspection from the accommodation area.
Ano, sir? Copy.
Accommodation area, the reading is 0 decimal 1 microsievert cell, normal condition. Roger sir, will do. Area is safety, so command firefighting team and first aid team. Go down fire station and wait there.
Yes, sir. We will go down, sir.
Second mate, continue regarding the radioactive check to number 3 and number 2 hot side. Number 1 and number 2 hot side. Continue the radioactive check. Number 2 and number 1 hot side. Roger, sir. At the moment, cargo hold number 2, port 5, checkpoint number 7. The reading is 0.1 microseconds, sir. Normal condition. Roger, Roger. Third mate, confirm ship's position and others by the radar. Confirm the ship's position. Sir, ship's position.
Position. Longitude, latitude 35 degrees 07 north. Longitude 139 degrees 46 wind east. Over.
Firefighting team and first aid team now on fire station and waiting for your order, sir.
Roger, Roger. Roger, Roger.
That collided with our port bow has damage on her hull and listing about 3 degrees to starboard side. Has fire in the engine room. Request firefighting team, sir.
Roger, Roger. Roger, Roger. Should make firefighting team go to number 1 hatch. Go to number 1 hatch. Firefighting team.
Yes, sir. This is firefighting team. We will proceed immediately to the scene and control the fire.
Roger, Roger.
Next ordinary point. Check the next ordinary point.
Roger, sir. We are now in number 1 hatch, starboard side, checkpoint number 2. The reading is 0.1 and normal condition, sir.
Roger, Roger. Number 1 normal condition. Make a second report and send to ECL. Make a second report and send to ECL.
Yes, sir. I will accept.
This is Cosmic Ace. Second report. Ship's damage at port bow. Checking condition. No abnormality. Radiation and accommodation of area. Continue radiation surveying deck. No injured crew. Fire outbreak around engine room of collided vessel. Commence firefighting or prevent fire from prior spread of its vessel. No oil spill. Water depth is about 330 meters. Report the detail sent by email.
Officer, sir. Finish connecting fire hose and request cheese pump, sir.
Roger, Roger. Third mate, start GS pump and contact Yokohama Coast Guard Radio and report the details of the accident.
Yes, sir. Sir, please start this pump.
Okay, sir. Start the cheese pumps ready.
Yokohama Coast Guard video. Yokohama Coast Guard video. Yokohama Coast Guard video. This is Cosmic Ace. This is Cosmic Ace.
Check
Cosmic Ace.
the water pressure.
3 Eco Delta Hawaii 6. Come in please.
The water pressure. Pump already started. Gel pump already started. Report the water pressure. Report the water pressure. Roger, Roger. Second officer, continue report to measurement of ordinary position. Continue to talk about this matter. Second mate, continue to talk about this matter.
Roger, sir. We are now number 1. Hatch up. Checkpoint number 4. The reading is the same. 0.1 microsievert. Normal condition, sir.
Shipmate, report the fire situation. Report the fire situation.
Is under control. Request to Astern engine to separate from collided vessel, sir.
Roger, Roger. Shipmate, stop the GS pump. Stop GS pump.
Sir, please stop GS pump.
Okay, sir. Stop the pump.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, clear now up, sir.
Third mate, then slow astern.
Let's go, sir. Sir, engine, then slow start.
Confirm. All ventilators stop and close. Damper fixed control access area by Tiger Road. Jeff, confirm all ventilators stop and close. Damper fire control access area by Tiger Road.
I will confirm all ventilations are closed and I will fix the control access area with Tiger Rope, sir.
Continue and report the measurement. Continue and report the measurement.
Yes, sir. Number 2, hatch. Forward. Checkpoint number 5. The reading is 0.1. Normal condition, sir.
Roger, Roger. Normal condition.
Advance control access area with Tiger Rope, sir.
Roger, Roger. Access area with Tiger, face control, access area with Tiger Road.
Extended about 20 meters. Request to stop engine, sir.
Roger, Roger. Third officer, stop engine. Stop engine.
Yes, sir. Sir, engine stop.
Number 1, cargo hold and bills. Check all tanks. Number 1, cargo hold and bills.
Sir, I will check all tanks. Number 1, cargo hold and bills, sir.
Second mate, continue report the measurement. Continue report the measurement.
Nurse number 2, hatch. Starboard side. Checkpoint number 6. Reading 0.0. Normal condition, sir. Perfect time, darling, and steady. That number 1 cargo hold, no damage, sir.
Roger, Roger. Checkmate, check for fake tanks of water level increase or not. Check for fake tank of water level increase or not.
I will check perfect tank on water level whether increase or not.
Third officer, stand by, balance and GS pump for pumping out from perfect tank.
Yes, sir. Stand by, balance, and GS pump for pumping out, pump up. Engine, stand by, balance pump for pumping out.
Okay, sir. Standby. Balas pump. Last pump. Ready to start, sir.
Balance pump already started.
The last ordinary points. Report the last ordinary points.
Sir, number 2 has forward part. The last ordinary point. Reading 0, decimal 0. Normal condition, sir.
Roger, Roger. Second officer, go into number 1 cargo hold and report of cargo hold and hold condition. Go to number 1 cargo hold and report of cargo hold and hold condition. Chief officer, report whether four-peak tank water level increase or not. Chief officer, report whether four-peak tank water level increase or not.
Yes, sir, sir. Water level is decreasing liter by liter, sir.
Roger, Roger. Third officer, contact with Yokohama Coast Guard Radio by BHF.
Yes, sir. I will contact Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. This is Cosmic Ace. Cosmic Ace. Cosmic Ace. Amin, please. Good afternoon again, sir. We will move astern 20 meters to prevent from fire spread, possible flooding and perfect tank, but no likely to save by discharging. No abnormality of cargo holds, cargo and radiation, restricted access area established. Requesting tugboat just in case the collide vessel likely to save. No injured crew. Name collide vessel ISO Maro. Over.
Third officer, send this third report to ACA by email. Send this third report to ACA by email.
Yes, sir. I will send, sir.
And hold condition. No damage. No leaking. And no flooding, sir.
Roger, Roger. Second officer, come back to radiation room. Bosun, continue to check number 1 cargo hold.
Sir, second officer. The other vessel is about to sink.
Roger, Roger. Report to Yokohama Coast Guard Radio. Chief officer, other vessel almost sinking. So organize rescue team and proceed to boat deck. Chief officer, organize rescue team and proceed to boat deck. Bosen, come back to radiation room. Come back to radiation room.
Keep over there, sir. Yes, sir. We will do right away, sir. Getting back to radiation room.
Roger, Roger. second officer, come back to the bridge and refer survey report with the third officer. Come back to the bridge and refer survey report together with the third officer.
Yes, sir. Will do.
Third. The report.
Ebe, this way. Yes, sir. Third engineer. Sir, yes, sir. Keep up. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Yes, sir. This is a rescue team, sir. Conducting mastering and also are accounted for.
Roger, Roger. Proceed to rescue boat for boarding. Proceed to rescue boat for boarding.
Sir, one Japanese Coast Guard vessel approaching, sir.
Roger, one Japanese Coast Guard vessel is approaching. One Japanese Coast Guard vessel is approaching.
Sir, we have already boarded rescue boat and waiting your order to go, sir.
Roger, Roger. Now Coast Guard vessel approaching the sinking ship. I contact the Coast Guard vessel and the Coast Guard vessel, Captain talk with the Coast Guard vessel about the rescue, sending and gun. That no necessary to send our rescue boat because Coast Guard vessel is used to this work. Thank you.
Sir, welcome back to the bridge, sir.
Chief Officer, Coast Guard vessel advised that no need sending our rescue team. No need sending our rescue team. So you can come back to the bridge together with the first aid team.
Sir, welcome back to the bridge, sir.
This is a Cosmic Ace. Cosmic Ace. Commence preparation rescue boat by our rescue boat for rescue collided vessel. Arrive Coast Guard, patrol boat, Uraga, we receive contact. They do rescue. We follow the Coast Guard. After that, no injured crew. No change radiation compared with the low day at Ohio. Report is emailed by report the detail by email. Send this report to ECL together with the radioactive survey report by email.
Yes, sir.
Start roll call again.
Start roll call. Second officer.
Present.
Third officer.
Present.
Buson.
Present.
EB1.
Sir.
EB2.
Present, sir.
EB3.
Present, sir.
Wheeler 1.
Present.
Wheeler 2. OS. Cadet.
Present, sir.
Chief Cook.
Present, sir.
Missman.
Present.
All crew present. No injured, sir.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.